Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. Okay, so today we're working on a 18 by 24 inch canvas. I have some very interesting colors here. They're more spring because we're here in the springtime now. Let me adjust that camera over there. I'm just going to adjust this a little higher so I can kind of turn it this way. And hopefully it doesn't. Let's take a look. Okay, so I just adjusted my overhead light here so you don't get too much glare. I hope that's better. I think it is. So today we're working with a black base, Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And the colors we're using. So we're using Magenta by Loft. Haven't used this color in a while. So that's what we're starting with. Oh, all right, I'm gonna leave it like that, but hopefully that works. Next color I have Quinacridone Rose Light by Amsterdam. Next I have Pearl Pink by Arteza. I'm really squeezing these bottles. Next color I have Sea Breeze by DecoArt. Be very light-handed because this DecoArt brand tends to take over. Okay. Oh, I love those colors together. Next I have Cobalt Turquoise Light Hue by Atelier. It just squirted everywhere. Okay. I am using a little bit of the 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And very light-handed with this one. Perfect. Now I have a little bit of deep turquoise by Winsor and Newton. And again, just a little bit. So I have a lot of colors here. And last but not least, I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. I wanted some pearl in there. A little more. Okay. There we go. Is it me or this is like popping? Let me move these out of the way. Torch out the air bubbles. I don't know how this is gonna look, but we'll go ahead and try it. Let's blow it out. love this here. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. The black kind of branched out into the petal, but I am fine with that. I love this blowout. Absolutely love it. Yeah. I think here I'm gonna add some more black, only because I don't want this falling over. And that is gonna be simple. I'm just gonna get my palette knife here and add this black to this corner here. Just like that. It's gonna probably fall off. I should probably just let it go. Yeah, I just gotta let it go off. And I'm gonna clean it up so it doesn't pull too much on my design from the top. All right, guys, let's take a look. Come on down. Hey, everyone. So here she is. Check out how gorgeous she turned out. I love the black base with these colors on top. Take a look at it. And I want to show you. Look at this. This is my favorite petal here. Look at this edge. How gorgeous is that? Look at how many cells. That's the reaction from all the paints. And then as you come down, you see the streams of colors. Beautiful. Look at those huge cells here, encasing in different colors. I love the splash of solid colors running through here. Love this middle part right there. So beautiful. She definitely is gorgeous. Love how that pink just comes through. Look at this. Check her out. Isn't she a stunning piece? I love it. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I appreciate your support. Keep on subscribing, watching, and sharing. Thank you for joining me here at Floral Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.